Hey there, I'm John with John Shutters and Aramco. Follow along with me today as we get this done. But it didn't always look like this. What did it look like before? Stay tuned. The Crimsafe screen comes in 3 standard colors. You have white, tan, and medium bronze. Most of the time this fits a lot of applications. However, if you need that custom touch, we can get a custom color mixed up just for the frame. Now all of the screen wire comes in black. And when it was explained to me, it's because black reflects the least amount of light for your eyes. So you get the least visual intrusion as you look through the window. Because the Crimsafe screen, as you can notice, we're taking all of the customers' old screens off. We will be removing those because the Crimsafe screen, not only is it a hurricane screen, a security screen, it's also a simple bug screen, right? With the ability to open and close. You know, it's really got a lot to offer. The #1 question that we get asked about Crimsafe screens: how much do they cost? Let's go to the #2 question. What do they look like? Let's go to the #3 question. What do they look like from the inside? Well, now that you've seen and answered those questions, let me answer a few more questions for you. So right now, as we're sitting here, the homeowner here is getting relentless beat from the heat. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's about 150 degrees outside. I'm pouring buckets of sweat, okay? The customers had the screens installed for about a week, and I asked them, I talked to them this morning when we showed up, because we're showing up to follow up, because when we went to caulk and seal the screens, it rained. So we rescheduled and we're here caulking and sealing. So the customers had these screens for about a week now, and I asked the customer, I said, hey, what do you think? I mean, what better testimonial could you get? First words out of his mouth was, you can tell the difference from the heat gain at the windows. And that's amazing. He's already noticed that in his first week. You know, imagine that's heat gain, the heat coefficient getting through your window, the heat going in is less every single day. And where would that be amazing? Well, that would be amazing on your energy bills year over year. It's cut proof, it's pry proof, and it can withstand winds up to 150 miles an hour. And Crimsafe comes with an outstanding 10-year warranty on your frame and your finish. Now they do have a couple of things for you to do to get that 10-year warranty, but really, is washing them off that big a deal? These are operable. We mount the build out and we mount the screens right to the build out. Everything's gonna be battened down. If you don't know much about the Crimsafe screens, they have their whole own website, but we're gonna bring you a little information because it's been a real hot seller, because as you can see, once it's installed, it is sharp looking. So the Crimsafe screen is made of 304 stainless steel screen. The fact that you can't pick up a driver for these at Home Depot or Lowe's means that once these screens are attached, that's what gives them their security feature. Just like a good set of burglar bars. If somebody with a ratchet could come over there and take them right off, they're not that safe. Just adding one more level, a layer of security to an already. And in this world, I mean, in this day and age, I mean, this is what we want. You know, you want something that you can add to the home that doesn't take away from the looks of it. The house is still gonna look beautiful. It's not gonna look industrial. It's not gonna look commercialized. It really, genuinely, as you can tell, and we'll give you some other videos and shots of this house once everything's done. But a lot of the customers tell me that it's just like having regular solar screens installed. It just looks like they have bug screens. Their neighbors don't even know what happened. Now, we do recommend all of our customers to report to the local fire department to let the fire department know that you have these security screens on your door, because they're cut proof, they're pry proof, right? They're meant to withstand, you know, whatever could happen. And, you know, in this day and age, you just don't know what can happen, so. It's really catching on in popularity because, as you can see here, once the Crimsafe screen is installed, there's nothing else for the homeowner to do. There's no other bars to get or things to do. Just wash it off with a water hose when you wash everything else off. Done and done. Peace of mind you can trust. Choosing Crimsafe just makes sense. Have it installed right. Have it done by John Shutters and Aramco. Give us a call. So in wrapping up here, I just wanted to tell you that the Crimsafe screens perform excellent in this application. So this is a single level, single house application where the homeowner doesn't want to do a lot of maintenance. Crimsafe screen is perfect. Application where the homeowner doesn't want anything electronic. Crimsafe works perfect. In an application where the homeowner wants some added security, works perfect. In a location where the homeowner doesn't want to change the looks of the house, you can see it over my shoulder, works perfect, right? Not the solution for every problem, but a viable solution in a crazy world. So give us a call, John Shutters and Aramco. We can install them for you too.
You got installed Crimsafe, the best hurricane screen on the market.